Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And one thing I want to tell to each and every subscriber, please support Palestine, because each and everyone knows about it. The situation is going on there and everything. So in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful SHEMAGH like Palestini people. And you can also see the Palestini flag on my head. You guys can also add that on your SHEMAGH. So let's start this beautiful tutorial right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. Allah Hafiz till my next video.